What a wonderful breeze indeed, out of imagination. What a nice, what a beautiful Odda breeze made by Awami League government of Bangladesh. If you don't go, you just visit. If you don't go, you must go now. Otherwise, you can't imagine what is happening there, how much beautiful and how much it is important of our country and economic development with this Odda breeze. Ladies and gentlemen, please visit and go there and enjoy your wonderful time and wonderful view indeed. Thank you so much. লাইক কমেন্টস দিয়ে পাশেই থাকুন নতুন নতুন ভিডিও দেখার জন্য।